mono bangke karjupen ke thak labangso program bang bang kon momlo asi nono bangke nili tu phana paklang ji labangke karjupen ke thak lake ladak hamren lo chardi asom hamren lo chardi also mar pensi non bangso cek pono asi non nane tu phani paklang pon po lake kopi map lotang teh asi toh nama dari pomo ini nanti tuh pernah pakai lagi pini ya bangke nilo mate kijut nilo asi nili tu istame nili nanti prinsipol apa coba jangan bangku bang itu sami kado kami istame bayi asi nanti tuh cohong inon bayi pol apa kado kami istame bayi lang tuh inon sini tuh mas temen so video share non nanti tuh tagin total deh karjupen kita along itu kan kado kebenaran paklang pun
and a big chocolate goes to Miss again.
Come on, give a big round of applause to Miss Rani Panjabi and big chocolate. Okay, thank you. Now, question goes to Girls High School, Co-Education Institute. Choose the number 1 to 21. Number 1. Question number 1. It's on or there is okay. Oh, very good question. Okay. Name the powerhouse of a cell. Mitochondria. Yes, very good. It is right. Come on, give a big round of applause.
Absolutely right, mitochondria.
Okay, now question goes to higher secondary school. তোমালোকৰ এঘৰ পৰা 20 লৈ প্ৰশ্ন চুজ কৰিব বা কোনটো নম্বৰ চুজ কৰা question number 10 no this okay তোমাৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো এনেকা হ'ল modern chemistry modern chemistry who is the founder of modern chemistry
ক্ষমা কৰিব ইংলিছত গম পাইছে নহয় কেমিষ্ট্ৰিৰ যিটো ফাদাৰ বুলি কওঁ সেইজন ব্যক্তিৰ নামটো ক'ব লাগে মডাৰ্ণ কৈছে আধুনিক কেমিষ্ট্ৰি যিটো কয় ৰাসায়নিক
Don't Google. Come on, don't Google. I know.
আধুনিক ৰাসায়নিক পিতা বা এইটো বুলি কওঁ মডাৰ্ণ যিটো আধুনিক ৰাসায়নিক যিটো ফাদাৰ বুলি কওঁ সেই ব্যক্তিজনৰ নাম ক'ব লাগে
এই মহান ব্যক্তিজনৰ নাম ক'ব লাগিব এই মডাৰ্ণ কেমিষ্ট্ৰিৰ
আধুনিক
from the audience anyone who is the father of modern chemistry what how old are you
Anthony Lewisham.
yes right
yes it is Anthony Lewisham but his full name is Anthony Lewisham
right
okay now moving to next group PMS choose the number 1 to 21 oh wow of blocks name the main components of blocks only one is also enough any one yeah all are hemoglobin but I know there is a hemoglobin but one component which is very much important RBC, that was it. RBC. Absolutely right. It is red blood cell class. Is not it? Okay. Thank you. Now the science section cards also ever. Now the remains only the repeat file and the marks distributions. I would like to hear the mark distributions from the judges.
Okay, competitors, let us have a scoreboard. So I request Madam, please announce the scoreboard. Towards the end of first round, direct question round, here the scores, listen properly.
Here is the score. Don Bosco High School 40 points, EMS 35 points, Hamren Higher Secondary School 0 points, Hamren Co-Education School is 40 points, Residential English High School with 0 points, Hillview English Academy with 10 points, Hillsong ME School with 10 points. So both Don Bosco and Hamren Co-Education are the same marks. It is equal.
Okay. With that, we come to the end of the first direct question round. So, Residential English High School, Hamren Higher Secondary School, yet to score. Your scoreboard still blank. So, you are yet to score more. I repeat the marks. Don Bosco High School secured 40 points. PMS School secured 35 points. Hamren Higher Secondary School still nil. Hamren Co-Education 40 points. Residential High School yet to score 0. Hillview Academy 10 points. Hillsong ME School 10 points. So with that we come to the end of the first direct question round. Now we'll next pass to the passing question, pass question round. Pass. Repeat the last. Past question. Past question round.
Now the past questions now. It will be from how many bones are there in newborn baby? Osoma amanat hai. फिर लोग के लतुम along RP को आम लगता है. How many bones are there in newborn baby? Sorry. If you don't know, you can pass, okay? Pass, good, pass. Okay, next, go. Keep on moving. If you know, you can answer. If you don't know, just say pass. I will repeat the questions again. Listen carefully, everybody. How many bones? I repeat, okay? Hardy. How many bones are there in a newborn baby? Pass. Okay, this is answer. Come on, give it a try. Let's say the number. How many bones? Come on. 300 or 200? 300.
Absolutely right.
Okay, it is 300. Come on, give a round of applause. Okay, next question to
Since this is past question,
will be
the marks will be allotted half.
okay, alright. It's
5 points.
It's your process. Yeah.
5 points
It's
goes.
your liberty. Okay. Now, second questions goes to Hillview Academy. Hillview Academy. The process of plan. Okay, listen carefully. Okay. The process of plan. The process of plan for their group mechanism. What is the process of plan for their group mechanism? Plan tum thengpi thengpang tum ki phezi phang it is the process of what is the process of plan for the
Is absolutely right. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, correct.
okay.
Point 10 point goes to yes. LU Academy.
Okay, now direct questions goes to Residential English High School. Your question will be like that. Who discovered cell in human body? Ini tu apa yang cell tu jadi lah kalau discover change. Who discovered human body? One second.
Robert Hooke.
Okay, right. Robert Hooke actually.
Okay, all right.
Pronunciation is
Yes, yes.
okay, right. Actually.
Kato ko inti ka original kilang mer korting no to pan apa kumar kato ko tumas tame media bangke hempu club sertale na sengkar ma thani kal kep kep jo pini ke kiju siar ni lo asi media bangke kato ko be kachapati ya son astame chapate puro asi pini bangke lunka na malen sitame dokpo asi lunka ramalina long kedam tangan ni samen ni linang paklang lo nongnam chitang long sonjit ronghang sitame alang li wang iji lapen nitu timung pi alang li sitame wang ipo lapen bangso long kadu ko be karbiang long lunsi po lunsi pi sitam atum sitame wang iji do uji asi nang le tum ta liro lo nang pidun ignon wang ignon bangso hempu club kar cholong among pidun irapen na lapu alang li stame dolo yo alang li stame luni panchisi ding lo lasi thailong po alang li lun kilun thailong loi pela lasi lang dun ing na vai non đây te ho
From the chapter electricity. Don't waste the time, any development step pass. Okay, from the audience, anybody? Okay, from the audience.
Nongwe bangke kijut si nong velo hempu club sertalina sengkan mate ningkan ke asi nongwe bangke ang dung kiti nong velo lasi kado kawe kelar leng duk pilo yo jadi tum birta apa cetak mate media korte atuman stame nilitum kado kawe cetak rapet lo lapu bangke tisa sono lo bangke ronghang lake alang like lun ta lun se polo nani tum arjulong tahai alapen nili YouTube channel lang vera tum fans tame pachini bom lo alang like singkreng aruwe ustame alang disi kilun abang phuik lo asi nongwe sita me alang lita doik po asi kado ko vechi tong nang bang ignon ke bang ve lang atum sta me bang taprang non lapen langge lapen lapen karbiang long lo chithang klub anong nam chithang klub singer mate lungsit po tum sta me bang iji lungsit pi sta me bang iji lasi chetong nang amen ke sonjit rongha lapen nitu timung pi malin tisopi alang litum sta me bang iko jo alang litum sta me yo nam kilang ni tum lo tangte arlo ame dam chuing na oi da kadam sa oi klang na poti nó là in some big amasi pu jerpo tumben langesu Karbi Alam ke langai sup lo lasi sa ki jundami lasi orang bang ke adung pati bokom lo yo udah tong ki junai ne hotel lo do supri kemana ya deh tangte ke tong tu nang deh yo alai go pri lo yo
Okay. It will be handed over by our Honorable President, Handbook Club, Sri Bhupen Kathar. Okay, thank you. And also, the first runners-up or the second prize goes to Miss Eldina Tipompi of DBS. Once again, DBS. The prize will be handed over by our reception committee president, Handbook Club, Sri Pritam Rongpi. The prize was sponsored by Sri Hinchong Teron in loving memory of his late father, late Francis Teron. And the first prize for example speech is none other than Sir Anglok Teron of DBS. All the example speech goes to DBS. The prize will be handed over by will be handed over by our Honorable MLA sir, Representative. Please give a big round of applause. A special thanks to Sri Hinchong Teron for your kind contributions. And now the result for quiz competition. Now the second answer for the third place for quiz competition is Presbyterian Mission School. Any representative from Presbyterian Mission School to come on stage to collect your prizes. It will be handed over by Sri Moniram Teron, Honorable Ward Commissioner. Okay, congratulations. Give a big round of applause. Okay, now first prize or the winner of today's quiz competition is none other than Hamren Golf Girls School Co-Educational Institute. Any one of you requested to come on stage to collect the prizes, and it will be handed over by our Honorable MEC, Sir Hat Singh Rongford. Yes, please collect the prizes. Okay, come on, give a big round of applause to Golf Girls School. Okay, now the prizes for filling up the bottle.
Second prize mate Hiniang Bank. Anong ikichabong mo na lagi rong hangarong. Bangso nong ikapajiri ke lagi ake hai Krishna Prasad Sharma ay masih pajir poning po. Lapen first prize anong ikichabong. Arong lagi rong pialong. Rong pialong bang na nali tunta bangso nong first prize anong kapajir ponji lagi itu manpeng kedo kacing hon nai honorable MLA sir Rusing Tiron Hintansi pajir poning po. First prize anong thiu de lagi first prize, come on give it an applause for first prize. Oh, tante nona bangke, tago for, mate Rusing kecibung suara tuhan nimali tu. Ingdeng itu mate third prize, kelong nongi kelong arong kela puhen lo. Third prize goes to Rong Pialong. Smoke kon Allah beri bo, smoke nalga bottom Allah bisa. Third prize goes to Rong Pialong. Baiklah, nabang sonong ilagay kapajir ponjil lagi. Ake hai, Prosonto Inti, General Secretary, Hampir Club Reception Committee. Lapan second nong kelong lagi, terang arong animal itu. Lapan sonong kapajir ponjil lagi. Ake hai, Songsar Pro, Office Secretary, Hampir Club. Baik non dak halan nong terang orang animal itu baik non toh terang orang sorbata animal itu mana hari sudah pisinang toh tangte nona bangke tago for final women mata animal itu first mata kecengsi winner nong cepelang pon lake romharong. Yes, so bangso nong kapajir ponji lagi, ake hai, Chotro Pator, ain dari pajir poning po, alang liban le bangso cultural nights, mate lun kana malin, bangku ponji pansi.
Pini Hampir Club kan poket katanya kan lo masih dia curi pada lo tapi pas kerong bonon kelong dia tu mang bonon penap lo ikut
MAC alang libata pohe ba kartu pasti ni alang liban kartu ini lagi Hampir Club amai pu Sir Bupen Kathar alang liban si ini parpan kartu pon lapen alang liban buke pen buke handover po lapen labang su buke long dolang momento isi Hampir Club momento. Yes, toh. An kedo tulang itu tumang bon itu long jasa pen dak bidi suruh pen tang lok dak jakong orang dak kecepatan tun piga bangku kibi lang le keter lang le momento mate bohoi pak pen kartu masih jumlah alang riban kartu hilang ke ile dong Golden Jubilee Hampir Club Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee amai pu Sir Pritom Rompi alang libansi kartu bansi pacining lo lapen alang liban buke handover po lapen momento a token of love from Hampir Club. Ratu berikan senang. Okay, thank you so much. Toh, tante nol bangke. Kongjun bang, alang li bang, abai pupon pindah ke turun depok, lapen do tulang. Oke hai, Birdon Tiso, Vice President Dun Maipu, nali nol sampai. Dulu alang dia pohon pakai pecinik lo. Lapen dolang Aki Hai Jeffrey Teron. Toh, lapen dolang Aki Hai Songsar Pro Office Secretary. Alang libanta pohon pakai pecinik lo. Lapen dolang Aki Hai Jeffrey Teron. Alam ni banta pohon bakwan kalau cuba cinik lo. Jeffrey Teron Aki Hai. Toh, lapen tulang Aki Hai Song Kiri Hanse Organizing Secretary. Alam ni banta stage long ke bang jipen panse cinik lo. Lapen nono bangke Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee. Kecengsi lagi nili, amen terang itu. Aki Hai, Pritom Rongpi, Maipu, alang li lo Maipu lo, alang li pantatang, rating lo cuba pecini lo, alang li dah pohon papan kaju pecini lo. Lapan do tulang, lapang sur reception committee list pakai songsar, Aki Hai songsar ko pensai nang panupo.
Curo lo. Appropriate lo. Lapen dia thula Golden Jubilee Celebration Reception Committee Walking President Aki Hai Free Zone se yala di mana me rat theme bang penali mana me mafla pe kaju poji pasi pacini pon lo. Lapen dia thula Assistant Secretary Aki Hai Bikas Pajon me rat theme bang penali mana me mafla pe kaju poji pasi pacini pon lo. Lapen dia thula Office Secretary Aki Hai Longki Patora teme rat theme bang pen mafla pe kaju poji pasi pacini pon lo. Hempu Club Organizing Secretary Aki Hai Songkiri yang sedemikian wala lasi ala teme rat theme bang pasi pacini pon lo. Lapen mafla pe kaju poji pasi apor pipon lo.
Lapen non bangke executive members ke pohon papan kaju pasti pecinik lo. Lapen do tulang nono bangke executive members nili amen bang terang bom po isi pen ale dum dak bang bom non. Dali dum dak aprang bang alang li tadak stage lo bang pen cepat ini pasti pecinik lo. Lapen alang li banta pohon papan pohon papan kaju pecinik lo. Lapen do tulang sar Adhon Teron do convener alang li banta dak stage lo bang pen pohon rara tengok pecini pen pohon papan kaju pecinik lo. Lapen do tulang Aki Hai Harsing Pator member alang li banta dak stage long jopai lo. Lapen do tulang Aki Hai Chandra Singh Rongpi members. Do tulang Aki Hai Mensing Ronghang members. Do tulang Aki Hai Mongol Pangcho member. Lapen do tulang Aki Hai Mongol Singh Pangcho members. Lapen do tulang Aki Hai Chandra Singh Pator member. Do tulang Aki Hai Longkiri Teron members. Do tulang Aki Hai Longkam Terang members. Sorry, Long Kiram Terang members ba, Long Kiram ba? Lapen nona bangke subcommittee. Kanghan te prang dili labangso dili teman itu dili mate teman ningrocok Allah belum nangetan pemom jipan dili labangso speaker mate mic bangke dili Aki Hai Sir Rup Singh Teron Honorable alang li bangsi bangso power bank ni lipi cukup bonik tum.
Atarang laso katalong bon pinigijodan ilo lasi nikan pokai kecok pu laso isi anda kektan nilihin pe laso ase mon bang nilibukan konfuni basi jise pon.
come on, give a big round of applause. Regional South City band. Golden Jubilee ke kau tu malu tu. Kasih tangan na ron pruibo. Dog pergi.
Nili, puklau amai bukan sering itu, oke. Itu alih support dengan tipin sih mah. तो तंदे ला केक कंथाना जाए मैं के चोई लॉस तमे ला केक कंथाना जाए मैं चोगलो बसमे इसी स्लोगन एकदम हैंग पर जना एकदम हैम्पो क्लब थीम स्लोगन तमो के इसी प्रोजेक्ट कर जो नंगोक ला बंगे बमो थानी के लो तो चलो लो तो तंदे नोनो बंगे एकदम हैम्पो क्लब थीम स्लोगन ले हैंग पर जना ini tuh mah theme slogan ke lapu hen lo Daxit talking there lama ke honoring our past lapen inspiring our future dasi nili bangke honoring our bukan itu mah past bukan senang itu non coba bodi dasi ampe tulang inspiring our future bukan senang itu non nili bang inspiring our bukan itu future bukan non kalau kita lah bangsa lapen microphone down ini non to tangde non pacek lo na Hampo Club. Chalo di. Honoring our past, honoring our past, inspiring our future, inspiring our future. Thank you so much. That's like the spirit. Labangso team, bada labangso slogan ke hang man ke inding ta ekdom close jet. Lapusona team, core team mate core slogan donanji. Isi club nute. Club motto is also the same thing. Asi club nute isi lapuson inspiring mate lapu motivational team no wenanji. To tangde nono bangke. Bangso kaci-kaci ni jai meka judi yelo laben. Ke kang thana jai meka judi